Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel.
Hi everyone.
Today we want to have a look at a small word that is a very simple word, but people make lots and lots and lots of mistakes. Okay, so the word is
Can.
Can.
Oh, tip tops got the tips.
So, Beatrice, can you please show me?
Can I?
Can you? I don't know. Can you please show me the biggest mistake we see with the word can? It's usually with negative sentences, isn't it?
Exactly. And students just say, I don't can.
It hurts my ears.
I don't can park here. I don't can play the piano. Oh.
I don't can. I'm sorry. Get rid of it.
I don't want to have this anymore. Forget it.
Terrible.
Really forget
Terrible,
it.
terrible, terrible. But what do we say instead? Stay instead?
Say
instead. What do we
So
say
good.
instead? We say, I can't. I can't swim. I can't park here. I can't play the piano. Okay? So, I can't. I cannot. I can't. Okay? Forget the other one. This is correct.
Exactly. So, and what about the
I wish that
questions?
was the only problem.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have another one. The questions.
Questions. What's the mistake people make with questions?
You see, the same actually. They say, do you can swim? Do you can park here?
My ears
do
are
you
burning.
can play the piano? Oh, it doesn't
No.
sound correct.
No. Unfortunately, this is also wrong. So, away with it. Gotta go. Instead, we say, can you? Can you swim?
Of course I can.
Can you play the piano?
A little bit.
Okay, wow, multi-talented.
Yes, yeah. I went through it.
Can we park here?
Oh yes, we can. So you always can visit us here.
Yes, you can always visit. So,
Nick, can we stop here now?
we can stop now. Guys, if you liked and you found the video helpful, please let us know down below and subscribe, and we will see you on our next video.
Okay. Bye.
Oh, tip top. Oh, tip top. Oh, tip tops got the tips.